Hello, everyone. We're going to look at some words today that have a silent B. That is, words that have a B in them, but we don't hear it when we say the word. Let's look at some examples. Lamb. So we don't say lamb, we say lamb. We don't hear the B. The next one is climb. And again, we don't say climb, we say climb. The next one is thumb. Again, no B, so we don't say thumb, we just say thumb. Two more for you. Doubt. We don't say doubt, we just say doubt. And the last one, subtle. This is a more difficult word. Subtle means talking about a change so slight that it's difficult to see. And again, we don't say subtle, we just say subtle. So a little tip for you, the B can usually be seen but not heard when it comes after an M or before a T. So practice saying these words yourself, and then why not try and use some of them in sentences in the comments below. So just to go through them again, we have lamb, climb, thumb, doubt and subtle.